Imagine this: you've been diligently saving and investing in stash. You've watched your portfolio grow over time, and now you're at a crossroads. You need to withdraw money for an emergency or a major purchase. But can you? And if so, how? Understanding stash. Let's start by understanding what stash is. It's an investment app designed to make investing accessible to everyone. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. But what about withdrawals? Can you withdraw money from stash? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw money from stash. However, there are a few things you need to know. Withdrawal fees: there might be fees associated with withdrawing money. These fees can vary depending on the type of withdrawal and the amount you're withdrawing. It's essential to check stash's terms and conditions for the most accurate information. Tax implications: withdrawing money from your investment account can have tax implications. Depending on your investment strategy and the type of account you're using, you may need to pay capital gains tax or other taxes. It's crucial to consult with a financial advisor to understand your tax obligations. Withdrawal methods: stash typically offers various withdrawal methods, such as transferring funds to your bank account or using a debit card. The available options may depend on your region and account type. How to withdraw money from stash. The process of withdrawing money from stash is generally straightforward. Here's a basic outline. Log into your stash account. Use your credentials to access your account. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for a section or option related to withdrawals. Enter withdrawal information. Provide the necessary details, such as the amount you want to withdraw and your preferred withdrawal method. Confirm and submit. Review the information and confirm your withdrawal request. Once you've submitted your withdrawal request, stash will process it. The processing time may vary depending on factors like the withdrawal method and the volume of requests. Important considerations. Before withdrawing money from stash, consider the following. Long-term goals: if you're withdrawing money for a short-term need, make sure it doesn't jeopardize your long-term investment goals. Market conditions: be aware of current market conditions. If the market is volatile, withdrawing money might not be the best decision. Tax implications: as mentioned earlier, withdrawing money can have tax implications. Consider consulting with a tax professional to understand the potential consequences. While you can withdraw money from stash, it's important to do so thoughtfully. Consider the fees, tax implications, and your long-term financial goals. By understanding the process and making informed decisions, you can effectively manage your investments on stash. If you have any further questions about withdrawing money from stash or investing in general, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.